Welcome to the Soniq Folding Door Installation Guide. Follow these steps closely to ensure a smooth, secure, and long-lasting installation. Let's begin. Folding Door Installation Guide. Step 1. Preparing the opening. Start by verifying the rough opening dimensions. The opening must be at least 1 inch wider and at least half an inch taller than the net frame size. For example, if your door is 107 inches by 95.5 inches, the opening should be 108 by 96 inches. Step 2. Prepare the sill. Use a laser level to ensure the subfloor or slab is flat and level within 1/16 of an inch or 2 millimeters. This is the most important step. For plywood subfloors, shim, level, or sand as needed to level subfloor within tolerance. When installing on top of concrete slabs, grind high spots to level subfloor within tolerance. For recessed concrete, use shims and leveling grout to level subfloor within tolerance. Remember, a perfectly level sill ensures smooth operation and proper sealing. Install sill flashing. Measure and cut metal sill pan to size, extending 3 to 5 inches up the jambs. Apply 2 continuous beads of sealant on the subfloor to secure and weatherproof the sill pan to the subfloor. 1 line towards the interior and 1 line towards the exterior of the frame. Also 3 to 5 inches up the jambs. Install the sill pan by placing it directly onto the subfloor and sealant. Confirm it extends 3 to 5 inches up the side jambs. Confirm the sill pan covers from the interior of the door to the exterior of the opening. Seal all joints with caulk to create a watertight barrier. Step 3. Install flashing. Apply vertical jamb flashing, wrapping it 6 inches above the opening to the bottom of the sill pan. Then wrap it back to cover the inside surface of the jamb and sill pan. Then apply head flashing across the top, overlapping the jamb flashing. Also, wrap the inside bottom of the header. Use a roller or hand pressure to ensure full adhesion of all flashing. Step 4. Frame assembly. Lay out the frame components, head, sill, and jambs, on a clean, flat surface. Confirm the correct orientation for your door opening. Hinge and lock jambs must be on the correct sides. Apply high-quality silicone to the joints and fasten with the supplied stainless steel screws. For the best finish, use a silicone color that matches the frame. Once all joints are fastened, confirm the frame is square. Step 5. Frame installation. Apply a continuous bead of silicone structural sealant along the sill pan's inner edge and a generous amount at the corners. Then set the frame into the opening, placing the sill directly onto the pan. Use a laser level to plumb and square the frame. Shim every 18 inches on the jambs within 6 inches of the corner. Do not shim the head to allow for deflection. Use L brackets at the header to secure the frame from tipping towards the inside or outside. At the jambs, use regular screws suitable for the structure's material, ensuring at least 1.25 inches of penetration. At the header, install adjustable shim screws to support the frame while allowing for deflection. Start with the jambs. Pre-drill screw holes through the frame within 1/4 inch of every shim to ensure pressure necessary to hold them in place. Pre-drill screw installation holes at the head and install adjustable shim screws every 18 inches to secure. Remember, do not use shims at the header. Step 6. Panel installation. Install panels starting at the hinge jamb and working toward the handle side. Position the first panel perpendicular to the frame. While one installer holds it in place, use blocks or an air shim beneath to help align the panel hinges with the pre-drilled holes on the frame. Protect the panel surface from scratches by using construction blankets as needed. Confirm the panel is aligned with the pre-drilled holes and that the hinges are fully seated in the frame before fastening with the supplied screws. Check for smooth operation and consistent reveals by closing this panel before proceeding to the next panel. Install the second panel by placing the bottom roller in the track and tilting the door up parallel to the first panel. Align the hinges on the exterior side of panel 2 to the pre-drilled holes on panel 1. The secure using supplied screws. Check for smooth operation and consistent reveals by closing this panel before proceeding to the next panel. Install panel 3 perpendicular to frame. Use blocks or air shim for support like panel 1. Align the hinges on the interior side of panel 3 to the pre-drilled holes on panel 2. Then secure using supplied screws. Check for smooth operation and consistent reveals by closing this panel before proceeding to the next panel. For all remaining panels, continue the installation by alternating the steps used for panel 2 and panel 3. Once all panels are installed, close the system fully and confirm all panels are square to the frame by checking reveals. Confirm the swinging door closes flush against the frame. It should make even contact from top to bottom, with consistent pressure and no gaps. Confirm the frame is plumb, level, and square to make sure the reveals and operation of the door are acceptable. Step 7. Hardware installation. Attach all handles, locks, and internal hardware following the manufacturer's instructions. Attached interior locking handle to pre-drilled holes. 1 lock is required for every 2 panels. Test for smooth operation and locking function after all hardware has been installed. Step 8. Sealing and finishing. Interior sealing. Insulate the space between the frame and rough opening with low expansion spray foam or batt insulation at the jambs. Only use batt insulation at the head. Exterior sealing. Insert backer rod for any gaps wider than 1/4 inch. Then apply a continuous bead of exterior grade caulk around all sides. Smooth the caulk for a clean, professional look. Final inspection. Perform a full system check. Look for any missed caulking, loose hardware, or uninsulated areas. Installation complete. Your Soniq folding door is now ready to deliver smooth, secure, and luxurious performance for years to come.